Good morning, everybody. My dear students, in the previous class, the last class, we are going to discuss about the lesson Justice Above Self, written by Munshi Premchand. Dear students, in the last class, previous class, I have already narrated or described about how that the ant, how she was going in front of the panchayat, village panchayat, to take her case, and how she was going to narrate or explain all those things in front of the panchayat head. Dear students, we have already known about the bond of friendship. I have already taught us in the previous class what is the real friendship and what was the bond of friendship. And also we know that Juman Sheikh and Alabu Chaudhary, they are very intimate or good friends. They were having bond of friendship. At the situation, at the time, the both friendship was broken. You know the story. The aunt or the old lady of Juman Sheikh, she wanted to cook separate. She did not like to join in his Juman's family. There was a quarrel between Juman's wife and the old lady. There is no coordination, there is no good understanding between the Juman Sheikh and wife and also the old aunt. So that the old aunt was very angry. She wanted to live separately and she wanted monthly allowance from Juman Sheikh. But Juman Sheikh, he did not accept, and also the old aunt, she was transferred her property in the name of Juman Sheikh, so that the old lady, she became angry. She wanted to go in front of the village panchayat. She wanted to get a justice from the village panchayat members. But she went near the Juman's very close friend, Alabu Chaudhary. She nominated the head of the punch of that panchayat, Juman's very nearest or close friend, Alabu Chaudhary. In front of that panchayat, she wanted to narrate all those things, what happened. Juman also, he wanted to explain all those things, what quarrel in between his wife and also the old aunt. The head of the bench, Alabu Chaudhary, he wanted to give a conclusion or justice about this problem. Finally, the head of the bench, Alabu Chaudhary, he gave his decide or judgment regarding this problem. He says that God lives in the heart of the punch and his voice is the voice of God. God lives in the heart of the punch. It means, it refers that impartially the panchayat members, they gave justice anyway, any else. There is no connection or there is no related between any friendship, any relatives, any other connections. The one it shows his voice, and the voice is the voice of God. The panchayat's voice is the voice of God. Like this, Juman Sheikh, that Alabu Chaudhary, he gave his decide or judgment in favor of the old aunt. It means the Juman Sheikh, he has to be given monthly allowance for that old aunt, otherwise the property will be returned to the old aunt. Here is this judgment or justice given by his close friend Alagu Chaudhary. Juman Sheikh was very angry. He was very angry. He wanted to take revenge against Alagu Chaudhary. Dear students, yesterday in the last period, last class, we are going to know this type of story here. Let us know what happened in the next year, how that story has to be continued in the next paragraph. Dear students, let us look to a textbook. I want to read in the paragraph next, continue this story. What have you to say in your defense? Asked Alagu to Juman. Juman narrated how his aunt transferred her property and how he promised her to look after her as long as she lived. But of fate, there have been quarrel between my wife and aunt. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. What I cannot pay, which I cannot pay. That's all I have to say. He concluded his submission. After consulting others, Alagu announced, we are the opinion that Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her. Now the friends were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship was broken. In fact, Juman saw Alagu as an enemy and wanted to take revenge. Days passed and all in ill luck would have it, Alagu Chaudhary was in tight spot. He sold one of his bullocks to Sanju Sahu, a cart driver of the village. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. It so happened that the bullock sold by Alagu died within a month. Several months after the death of the bullock, Alagu reminded Sahu of the money he had not yet paid. I cannot pay you a penny for the wretched beast you sold me. He brought us nothing but ruin, Sahu said angrily. Alagu decided to take the case to the Panchayat. The Panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Alagu stood up and said, the voice of the Panchayat is the voice of the God. The voice of the Panchayat is the voice of God. Let Sahu nominate the head punch. I will abide by his decision. Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Juman. Alagu's heart sank and he turned pale. The moment Juman became the head punch, he realized his responsibility as a judge and the dignity of his office. Could he be seated in that high place? Have his revenge now. He decided not to allow his personal feelings to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. Both Alagu and Sahu presented their cases. Then Juman stood up and announced, "It's our opinion that Sahu should pay Alugu the price of the bullock. When Sahu bought the bullock, it suffered from no disability of disease. The death of the bullock was unfortunate, but Alugu cannot be blamed for it." Alugu could not contain his feelings. He said loudly, "Victory of the Panchayat. This is justice. God lives in the voice of the punch." Soon after, Juman came to Alugu. He embraced him and said, "Since the last Panchayat I had become your enemy. Today I realize what it meant to be a punch. A punch knows no friend or enemy, but only justice. Let no one divide from the path of justice and truth of friendship or enemy." Alugu was also in tears. His tears washed away all the dirt or misunderstanding between them. This is the story, dear students. You know that after the giving discernment or judgment from the Alugu Chaudhary, the Juman Sheikh, he became an enemy of Juman Sheikh. The days passed. The Alugu Chaudhary, he became in a very tight spot because he was also having problem. So he was having that problem in front of the punch. In that panchayat, the head of the punch is nominated from Juman. That the Alugu Chaudhary nominated the head of the punch is Juman. Again, Juman had a chance to take revenge against the Alugu Chaudhary. But the Juman Sheikh, he realized, he reminded that there is no friendship, there is no relationship at the time of giving judgment in the panchayat. But Juman Sheikh, he did not forget the impartial judgment. He gave impartial judgment in favor of Alugu Chaudhary. Then the Alugu Chaudhary was very happy. He says the voice of Panchayat is the voice of God. In the voice of Panchayat, hiding God is there. So impartially, the justice has given by the Juman Sheikh, and how the justice was or how the justice is. Dear students, you must be know that the situation, the time it makes, how the justice has given with impartially. Maybe you are going to select it as a justice, or you are having a problem in front of the village panchayat. You have such a right to decide. You are having such a chance to decide. The good justice is very important. I want to describe about that paragraph. Days passed, and as ill luck would have it, Alugu Chaudhary was in tight spot. After the panchayat, the days are passed. That means Alugu Chaudhary was in a tight spot. Tight spot means he is having such a number of problems. He sold one of his bullocks to Sanju Sahu. So Alugu Chaudhary having bullocks for the sake of his problems, economic problems, he sold his bullocks. Did you know know the bullocks? Yes, students. What do you mean about the bullocks? You know that animals was using to flow in the field. They were called the bullocks. For the sake of economic condition, tight spot, Alugu, he decided to sold his bullocks to Sanju Sahu, a cart driver of village. Who was Sanju Sahu? Can you answer it? Sanju Sahu is a cart driver of village. Cart driver. You know that cart, bullock cart. You know that in the village only you are going to know that bullock cart. That bullocks have to pick up that cart. That is called bullock cart. In the village, purpose of agriculture, they were using that bullock cart. So Sanju Sahu was the cart driver of the village. That bullocks were sold to that Sanju Sahu. The understanding was that that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. Sahu, he want to give that money or that payment of that bullocks, he takes 1 month time. Month's time. It so happened that the bullock sold by Alugu died within a month. This is the problem was faced. When the Alugu sold his bullock to the Sahu, within a month, that bullock was died. That bullocks that died within a month. This is the problem that the Alugu facing now. He is having an economic problem. So that he was very tight spot. Let us know what happened in the next paragraph. Several months after the death of bullock, several months passed after the death of bullock, Alugu reminded Sahu of the money he had not yet paid. According to the agreement, the Sahu, he did not return or pay the money of that bullock, which was he purchased from Alugu. I cannot pay you a penny for the wretched beast you sold me. That Sahu, he was very angry because that bullock was died within a month. When Alugu, he repaid the money, he told like this, I cannot pay you a penny for the wretched beast you sold me. He was very angry. That Sahu, he was very angry because of the diet that bullock was died within a month. He refused to give that money to the Alugu. What he was made an agreement with him. I cannot pay you a penny for the wretched beast you sold me. Wretched beast means a bad animal which you have sold me. That animal, that bullock was died. He brought us nothing that you sold me. He brought us nothing but ruin. Ruin means destroy. When I bought that bullocks, then I was banned. Unluckily, I was ruined. Ruin means not developed, destroyed. Sahu said angrily. He was very full of angry, like that he says like that. Alugu decided to take the case to Panchayat. Now, this is the chance. This is the turn of this Alugu. He bring this problem in front of the Panchayat of village. The Panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. As I told you in the last class or previous class, In the village, almost all that panchayat was held under the big trees where in your village. Here again, the panchayat was held under the big banyan tree. Maybe in the middle of the heart of the village, there was a big banyan tree. In that under the big banyan tree, the village panchayat was held. It brought us nothing but doing. So said angrily, Alugus decided to take the case to the panchayat. The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Alugu stood up and said, now Alugu, he stood in front of the panchayat and he wanted to explain all those things where he was stood. He wants to explain the things. The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Alugu stood up and said, stood. I have already told the grammar point here. Stood, stand. This is the stand, stood. You know that the tense is here. Stand present tense, stood past tense, and stood past participle or the future tense. So now that this is the Alugu, he stood in front of the panchayat and he want to say, explain. The voice of the panchayat is the voice of God. Again he repeated that the same voice, same sentence. The voice of the panchayat is the voice of God. Voice of the panchayat is the voice of God means the panchayat which was the judgment which was given by the panchayat, it is impartially. It is very favor to God. It is decided by the God like this meaning. Let Sahu nominate the head punch. Now it is the time for nominate the head of the punch here. I will abide by his decision. Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Juman. Now Sahu, he saw his chance and proposed the name of Juman. Now that Sahu, he decided to nominate the name of that Jumanshi. Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Juman. Alugu's heart sank and he turned pale. Alugu heart sank. Alugu's heart sank means he was very interestingly in the deep and he turned pale. Pale means full of sad. The moment Juman became the head punch. Now the moment Juman became the head of the punch. Now Juman, he became a head of the punch. That Juman, he was became a head of the panchayat. Now he was nominated by Sahu. He realized his responsibility as a judge and the dignity of his office. Again, that Juman, he nominated by Sahu as a head of the punch. Now Juman, he realized that the responsibility and also dignity of the judge. How he became very having a dignity and very responsibility to giving this justice or judgment. Could he seated in the high place? Now Juman is seated. It means he want to seated in the high place of the village panchayat. Have his revenge now. You know that, students, that Juman having the revenge against the Alugu. He is having that chance now. He want to take revenge of Juma, that Alugu Chatari also. He decided not to allow his personal feelings to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. Really here, the Juman Sheikh, he want to show his responsibility. He want to show his responsibility, how he is having such a chance to give him a good justice or judgment in front of the village panchayat. This is the opportunity that Juman take a revenge against the Alugu children. So like that, allow his performance feelings to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. The performance is very important, my dear students. When you are going to give justice or judgment, any judgment, there is no, you should be involved any personal feelings like friendship, relationship, anything. You don't involve in the personal feelings when you are giving the justice or judgment. Really, the judgment seat is very important, my dear students. You are having such a seat, you are having such a responsibility. So you are having such a dignity, majesty that you are having when you are going to sit in the seat of judgment. Justice or the judge. Dear students, I think you are going to know that the panchayat is seen held in the village. You know that all of the village people were gathered under the big banyan tree. The head of the panchayat, he was going to do the panchayat. The head of the panchayat, he was going to hear in the one side the explanation, and also he want to get a declaration or any explanation from other side. Both sides, when they are hearing that problems, they finally give a conclusion or judgment how they want to give a judgment. Maybe in the village level there was a quarrels are going between the two parties. They want to clash with them in front of the panchayats. So many they have to quarrel with each others. So this type of situation held in the village panchayat. But now here the Juman Sheikh had a responsibility. He is having such a feelings that how I take this revenge against the Alugu children. But this come away the speaking truth and doing justice. This is a chance for the Juman is having the chance to show his truth and doing justice. Both Alugu and Sahu presented their cases. Here in front of the panchayat, both Juman and also Sahu, both means Alugu and Sahu, not Juman, that Alugu and Sahu, both of them, they presented their cases. Presented means they want to narrate, they want to explain, they want to describe the important points of the cases. Then Juman stood up and announced, then hearing of all these panchayat points, that Juman stood up and announced. Announced means he want to say all those things, decide our judgment in front of all the people. It is our opinion. That Sahu sold Alugu the price of the bullock. When Sahu bought the bullock, it suffered from no disability or disease. Yes, Juman Sheikh, he want to say that Alugu, he must pay the payment or the money to the Alugu or that Sahu. Because when Sahu sold the bullocks to the Alugu, that bullocks did not having any disease, or that bullocks did not suffering from any disease or disability. Disability means that any part did not move, or the part of the bullocks did not destroyed, like that disability. The death of the bullock was unfortunate. He saw like this. The death of the bullock is unfortunate. Unfortunately, that bullock was died. You know that when Sahu he was getting from that bullock from the Alugu, that Sahu, that bullocks did not suffering from any disease or any disabilities. So that the price of the bullock when Sahu bought the bullock, it suffered from no disability or disease. The death of the bullock was unfortunate. There is a opposite word for here, unfortunate. Students, did you know the opposite word of this unfortunate? Fortunate. Unfortunate. 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 Unfortunate means there is a unfortunate. 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 The opposite word, that is fortunate. Fortunate. See, fortunate, unfortunate. This is the opposite word that you are going to look here. Unfortunate. But Alugu cannot be blamed for it. But Alugu Chaudhary, he did not sad or any angry. But he did not show that blame for it. Blame means blamed. Blame means he did not blame anybody. Blame. He did not blame anybody or Alugu. That the blame for it. Alugu could not contain his feelings. He said loudly, victory of the panchayat, this is the justice, this is justice, God lives in the voice of the panch. When that's Juman, he decided, gave a decide, then the Alugu, he stood up and he told like this, that this Alugu could not contain his feelings. He said loudly, victory to the panchayat. The Alugu, he was very happy because that judgment has given in favor of Alugu. So Sahu must be paid the money, payment to the Alugu. That he said loudly, victory to the panchayat. This is justice. God lives in the voice of the panchayat. Really, my dear students, when we get a good justice or judgment from the panchayat, impartially, that persons are very happy we are getting justice or judgment impartial. So he said loudly, victory of the panchayat, this is justice. God lives in the voice of the punch. Yes, really it's the truth that God lives in the voice of the punch. Really that justice or judgment or the punch, the head of the punch, he was really equal to God then. When he was going to decide, when he was going to give his judgment to the panchayat. Alugu. After the panchayat, after the decide, after the declare of the judgment, that soon after Juman came to Alugu. Juman Sheikh, he came to Alugu. He embraced him and said, he embraced him. That Alugu, he want to embrace. He hugged that Juman, that Alugu embraced him. The Alugu, he embraced Juman. Embraced means hugged the Juman and said, since the last panchayat I had became your enemy. So that Juman embraced him and said, Alugu said like this to Juman, since the last panchayat, in the previous last panchayat, when the decidement or judgment was given by you, then that since the last panchayat I had became your enemy. Yes, the last panchayat I had became your enemy. Today I realize what it meant to be punch. Today I hear what it meant to be punch. A punch knows no friend, no enemy, but only justice. This is a very good fine words given by that Alugu. Really, at the time of when you are going to give judgment or justice, there is no personal feelings with you. You did not give any place to that any friendship or enemy or any other relationship or any other feelings when you are going to seek the judgment or judge. Really, you are having such a great responsibility. Really, you are having such a dignity, majesty. That's why the beautiful words told by Alugu, that when he was going, heard that judgment, he embraced him, he hugged him and said, since the last panchayat, I had become your enemy. I had become your enemy. I am your enemy. Today I realize what it meant to be punched. Really realize it is I know. We know that today I realize what it meant to be a punch. Really, what was the meaning of that punch? Head of the panchayat, head of the judgment. So really, this is the feeling that how that the Juman and Alugu had. Really, it is a good message that we are going to know that the seat of judgment is very important seat. You are having lot of responsibility. At the time of giving judgment, we did not count any relationship, any friendship, any enemy, any other things, any other personal feelings at the time of giving judgment. Today I realize what it meant to be punch. A punch knows no friend or enemy, but only justice. Please note that sentence. Note those words or underline that words. Let no one divide from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enemy. Let no one divide from the path of justice. When you are going in the path means way. Path means way. When you are going to in the way of the judgment or justice. Path, P-A-T-H, path. P-A T-H, path. Path means way or way, road, way. When we are going in the way of justice and truth for friendship or enemy, it means when you are going in the way of justice, you don't count any friendship, any relationship, or any enemy, or any personal feelings here. This is the meaning of this sentence. Aluku was also in tears. Aluku was also in tears. Yes, at the time of happy or sadness, the tears coming from your eyes. So here Aluku, he was also in tears. His tears washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. When Aluku was weeping, all the tears from his eyes, it shows his tears washed away all his dirt, all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. So, in the previous Panchayat period, in the last period of the Panchayat, then Aluku and Juman, they became enemies. Now in this time, in this period, in the Panchayat time, they did not bother about their enemy. But now, Aluku also, he was getting tears from his eyes, or he was weeping. Now, the dirt of misunderstanding between them, away all the dirt of misunderstanding. You know the dirt. Dirt, it means the feelings like the enemy in his heart. It was washed away from his heart. Misunderstanding between them. When there were misunderstanding with them, it will be lost now. Now they became good friends again. They were good friends. My dear students, you must be know in your future, or when you are getting a chance, that you are going to decide any justice or judgment. Otherwise, you are elected or nominated as a head of the punch in your life or in your future. Dear students, one thing I told you, you don't forget the justice was very important. You don't think about your feelings. Don't think about your friendship or relationship or any personal feelings at that time where we are going to give justice or any judgment. Dear students, really you are having such a responsibility. You are having such a time of dignity, majesty, so that you don't forget. You don't forget that when you are going to give a justice, you don't count your personal feelings, friendship and relationship, and also you are getting such a chance in your life. My dear students, in this lesson, Justice Above Self, we are going to know the main theme of this lesson is, at the time of giving justice or any judgment, you don't count your personal feelings, any friendship, any relationship, any other relatives when you are going to give a judgment. The judgment seat is very important, it is very valuable, it is very honorable, and also we don't give any impartial, that you are going to try to give an impartial judgment anything. So that we are going to know this is the story about justice about self. Dear students, in this lesson we are going to know the new words. Here you are going to introduce a new words here. Laminate means propose, suggest someone's name. You have to select anyone's name. It means nominate. Abide by. Abide by means accept. That is conscience. Something that tells you whether you are right or wrong. That is conscience. That also defense. That is defense. Something said in support. And also claim, demand as right. Slider, side, that is railway. And remain, something made to make somebody suffer. This is the meanings. This is the words which are introducing in the sentence in your lesson. You should try to make in your own sentence. Let us take homework here written. That is, what was Juman's opinion about the punch? This is the first question. What was the Juman's opinion about the punch? What decision did that Aluku gave after listening to Juman's and his act? Third one, why were Aluku and Juman